Sling I'm using this, I just twisted this out of hemp, waxed hemp. I got the finger hole on this end. I put on my ring finger. I put the ball centered in the pouch, pull it up. There's the grip. There's the ammo. And let's see if we can hit that tree. Whoa, a little high, but that's still touch the tree. Touching is it counts. Whoa. Okay, I'm using little plastic rubber golf balls for practice, and they really have helped a lot. You can go through everything slow motion, get your swing down, your release, and this is the most progress I've made using the Shepard sling that of anything that I've done. And if you're brave enough, you can throw them in the house. Keep losing them in the weeds. Now we're done.